I was in a lot of pain for about a day, so I went to my normal dentist and he referred me to Gulf Coast here.
The lady was extremely pleasant. I told her I was really hurting, and she said, come in an hour and we'll try and fit you in. And so I came in, nice office, really nice lady, very impressed with the doctor. He looked at it, and I walked out having had a root canal.
Came in first thing this morning, did a little bit of paperwork. Everybody was real friendly. They gave me everything I wanted, some coffee, some drinks, some TV, and Gigi was the best. And I went straight to the back, and they were real nice to me and laid down. The doctor came in and explained what he was going to do, and real thoroughly, and started his procedure, and everything went great.
Your first impression is obviously on the phone when you make the phone call. So I was already feeling good about them after the bedside manner, if you will, of the receptionist who answered the phone. She cared, she was concerned, That made me feel good before I walked in the door. So my mental attitude was already going towards them. And then I came in, and the look of the office, the cleanliness, the way I was treated by the front desk staff, and again, then into the doctor, and the same thing, concern, good explanation of what's going on. I want to use the word great experience. It's just the word great experience doesn't go with root canal. But if you could use that word, that's a word I'd use.
They all get along with all the office staff. You can tell they work together well. They seem to have a good relationship within the office, and that's important, because when you come in, that's the first representation of the doctor you're going to get is their front office. And when you see the office, it's clean, it's modern, all the equipment is new. Basically, they're prepared to do the best job they can with what modern procedures they have available to them, and they utilize them all. As a retired dentist, the equipment that they utilize within their clinic is state-of-the-art, and it's modern.
I used to be a dental assistant, and the technology that they have is so much more advanced than what we had, because I had to do, when I did x-rays of the mouth, I would do like 18 views and have to go process all of them and put them in the little cards for the dentist to see. And now they just shoot them and they come up right there in front of you on the TV screen, so you can see exactly what is going on, and it's so much quicker than having to wait for however long, to get all the x-rays done. It's amazing. It's very quick, and everything's state-of-the-art. It's very clean. It's very very modern, so it makes your visit a lot simpler, and it makes it a lot quicker.
Their workspace, although I'm certainly not qualified to say how modern the equipment is, certainly appeared to me to be first-rate and brand new. Being an average person, to me, just looking up at the ceiling and see there's a TV offset and headphones for me to watch a show while they're working on my teeth struck me as extremely up to date. And then there was a computer screen right in front of me where I guess the doctor and the assistant would look at to check my teeth. So having no technical knowledge of the equipment certainly seemed to me to be a first-class, modern, efficient operation.
Dr. Haddad, he first informed me, okay, he confirmed the procedure. He said, okay, we're gonna work on this tooth. And then he told me that he was gonna give me the gas. And if I felt any pain or any discomfort, to let him know immediately, because I'm not supposed to feel any pain, and he was very good at that. I didn't feel any pain whatsoever, and the procedure lasted about an hour and a half, and it felt like 5 minutes. It didn't feel long at all. They gave me earphones, so I didn't hear that noise of that drill. They had TV up at the top, so I was able to watch TV. So the procedure went very good.
Actually, when I got home, I got a call probably a couple of hours later after my emergency procedure, and I had a voicemail from Gigi, and she was just checking to make sure that everything went okay, if I was in any pain, that if I had any questions, I could give them a call. So I've never experienced that from a doctor before, so I was very happy with that. I thought, wow, that's good customer service. I was very pleased.
When I went in for my checkup with my dentist, they asked me how my experience was, and I told them that It was a great experience. That the office staff was extremely friendly, and everything was great. He did a great job. I didn't have any problems after that, and told them that they definitely needed to refer people over here because of the quality of care, the friendliness of the staff, and just the overall experience that I had here.
I would definitely refer them to somebody else. Their atmosphere was wonderful, their staff was great, their facility is beautiful, the location is very easy to get to. I will definitely refer them to anybody that I know that needs a root canal.